Did you know that pandas have a peculiar habit when they sneeze? These adorable bears can sneeze so loudly it sounds like a small explosion. But here's the fun part. When a panda sneezes, it often startles itself and others around it. They'll sometimes even fall over from their own surprise. This unique reaction is especially common in cubs who are learning about their surroundings. Scientists believe these loud sneezes might help them communicate with one another in the dense bamboo forests where they live. So next time you hear about a panda's sneeze, remember, it's not just cute, it's also nature's way of keeping everyone informed.